We're here at the 19th green at the Dental Sleep Profits Open in Philadelphia, Aadsm 2023. If you can make this putt just 8 feet, you have a chance to win 90 days free of Dental Sleep Profits services. Amazing, amazing opportunity here on the 19th green. Let's see what he can do.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
I am very excited to see you all at Aadsm 2023 in Philadelphia. Stop by the Dental Sleep Profits booth. When you demo our system on this little kiosk, it looks just like this. It takes 60 seconds, and you have a chance to putt an 8-foot putt to actually win 90 days free of Dental Sleep Profits services. It's an incredible value. Stop by our booth for even more chances to win some amazing prizes. But I look forward to seeing you guys there, and I look forward to helping you accelerate the growth of your dental sleep medicine practice. God bless.